Hello, here is a quick overview of what we did in class today. So when you go into your Google Classroom, you'll go in the Classwork tab. And this is the first day of cycle 3, which means we have a new heading here with new dates. So you'll open up the daily agenda. And scroll down to the day. You do not need to do your attendance form if you missed class today. You can click on the PDN to pop out to that form and answer it. The class procedures will be linked on the agenda when you open it. You can review that. And then the main activity today was completing the Unit 1 anticipatory guide, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And then a very short ed puzzle about how to navigate Springboard, which is our new curriculum for this year. So that is a link as well. You can just click into that and complete that. It's about 5 minutes long. So to get to the Unit 1 anticipatory guide, you're going to look below the agenda file. It is listed here as a separate assignment. When you click on it, there is a copy of it made for you, so your view will have your name in front of this. And all you need to do is answer the questions in it and then turn it in through Classroom. So you're going to read each statement that's listed here in this chart, decide if you agree or disagree with it, and then tell me your reason. So if you wanted to say that you agree with this idea, that to be an American, you need to take pride in this country no matter what, you would click on this box, put an X or something in it so that I know that that's what you're checking. And then over here, you would type your reason for agreeing. And then you'll do that for each one of these statements. There are 6 of them. This you can disregard because that was something we did during the live class. And then down here in part 2, you're going to answer these 2 questions based on what you think right now. So you're going to answer what you think it means to be an American. You can click over here and you'll be able to enter your answer. And then your definition of the American dream. Then you're going to watch a short video where a bunch of other Americans tell their thoughts on it, on these ideas. So you can either scan the QR code or you can click on the link and it will take you to that YouTube video. Once you have watched the video, you're going to answer these questions. So this is asking you to finish these statements. An American is anyone who. So you'll click over here and you will answer however you would finish that sentence. And then the same for number 2, 3, and 4. So remember, all of this is your opinion, and there is no right or wrong answer. So give me the best thoughts you can. And as long as you go back over here, you're going to go into View Assignment, and then you will click Turn In. Then you are set for the day.